Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Stack channel. So this is another part of pivot table. So in this pivot table we'll try to explore something I will show you. So as of now when you check here now, so I have the data like BCom, BSc, BTech, BA or MPA. So right now this is in not I mean just assume that. So the client requests different format means the order price should be different way. For example, BSc should come on the second or whatever it may be. I will go one more sheet. So let's go back to sheet. So for example, when you see here, this is the my format. Actually, the client will request like that. So and when you come and look this, so both are not same. So when you see this BCom is the first, this is looks good, and MBA this and all are mismatching. So the client request is, however, I have the input, the same way I want to do this one. So when you check here manually, 1 minute. So when you check here manually, you can go here and we need to do like this. For example, let me show you. So still it's not came. Yeah, now it's came. So when you check now, so I can move able accordingly. I can move on the top or might be I can move its downside, whatever it may be. The same thing we cannot do it for each and everything. We have thousand of rows or might be hundred of rows. So each and everything it's doing, it's very difficult. So for that we have designed the code. So I will show you the snippet of the code. So once, I mean, still here the automation has built that particular pivot table, all the stuff. So just it's taking that, creating the pivot table and add the fields, rows, and whatever the stuff is related to here right side. Now you can see this pivot table fields like gender, course, year, other stuff. It's been created. So now the main step is we need to sort out this one. So once you go with it, like here we cannot sort out like A to Z or B to B. So if you try this also, let me go here. We'll check this one. I not tried. We'll try this as well. If it is working, we'll see how it's work. So view. So go to view. Okay, sort is here only now. So I forget that sorting order. I know that from top to bottom or ascending order, descending order, I know, but I don't know this one. Let me check. I think data only should be available. Yeah, here sort. So when you check here now, so it might be missing that sort. So that's why I'm not using this sorting order. So I will just go back to the code and I will explain here. So this is the one. Just I will put the for loop for the look for this entire the column A. So after that I'm taking that value into the one storable variable, and after that I'm updating this one. So when you check here, I'm targeting the pivot table sheet 2. So this is my pivot table sheet 2, and I have the pivot tables. So I right now I created this pivot table name as the pivot student pivot, and fields. So here I have targeting this course. So you can see this one course here. So you can see this one. So I'm targeting this course and moving up and down, and after this pivot tables dot, so the whatever the values from here now, I mean pausing here and position x minus 1. So whatever here x it's coming at 2 minus 1, so it will go to the first line. So once I run this, I will run all together. So and we'll go back to there and we'll check. So now this got changed. I'm just copying here and pasting here, and I will go back to here and I will take this stuff as well. I will put here. So now when I validate is equals to, so all will get true. So this is the way how we can do like this one. So this is one of the things client might be required. So again, the requirements, it depends upon the client to client will be changed. So the sometimes the clients will accept whatever it may be. Anyway, I'm getting the pivot table, it looks good, but a few clients they have some specific structure we should follow like that. So that time this is the thing will be used. So when I go with UiPath, this feature is not available, so we cannot able to do the. So that's why this is the concept pivot table. We can do the same thing we can do for columns as well. So right now we did for the rows, the same thing we can do for the columns as well. So you can try from your side. Still if you're not finding any solution, so just post your comments. I will try to do that video as well. So thank you.